ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ಮಹಾಭಾರತಂ 108th ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. In Sriman Mahabharatam 100th chapter Adiparvam, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaj and saying that, O Raja, Dasaraju saying to Bhishma like this, O Bhishma, yes, you gave me a word that my daughter's son is going to become king of the kingdom. But what about your sons? Please clarify that doubt also. When Dasaraju said like that, Bhishma understood Dasaraju's opinion, and in order to fulfill his father's wish, now he is swearing like this. O Dasaraja, listen to my promise. Listen to my swear. ಋಷಯೋ ವಾ ಅಧವಾ ದೇವಾಃ ಭೂತಾನಿ ಅಂತರ್ಹಿತಾನಿ ಚ ಯಾನಿ ಯಾನಿ ಹಿ ಶೃಣ್ವಂತು ನಾಸ್ತಿ ವಕ್ತಾ ಹಿ ಮತ್ಸಮಃ. ಓ ಋಷುಲಾರ, ಹೋ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ದೇವತಾಸ್, ಹೋ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಯು ಆಲ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ನೋ ಒನ್. ನೌ I am telling you the truth. Now I have already gave up, renounced the kingdom. Now I am going to take a decision about my own children. Adya prabhuti me dasa brahmacharyam bhavishyati. From now onwards I am going to be taking brahmacharyam. ಅಪುತ್ರಸ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮೇ ಲೋಕಾಃ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಂತಿ ಅಕ್ಷಯಾ ದಿವಿ. Even I don't have children, I would definitely get the greatest meritorious heaven-like worlds. There is no doubt in that. Ever since I am born, I have never spoke any lie. ಯಾವತ್ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಧ್ರಿಯಂತೆ ವೈ ಮಮ ದೇಹಂ ಸಮಾಶ್ರಿತಾಃ ತಾವನ್ನ ಜನಯಿಷ್ಯಾಮಿ. ಓ ದಾಸರಾಜ, as long as I am alive, I will not get any children. I am giving you a word. Pitre kanyam prayachame. Now you give your daughter to my father. I renounce the kingdom. Now I am renouncing all my pleasures related to body, the children, getting children. From now onwards, I will be brahmachari. Satyam bravimite. O Dasaraja, I am telling you the truth. When Bhishma said like that, Dasaraju's entire body started getting shaken and goosebumps. Then immediately he responded saying that, yes, now I will definitely give my daughter to your father. At that time, all the apsarasas, devatas, they started showering flowers upon Bhishma, saying that Bhishmoyamiti cha abruvan. Until then he was called as Devavrata, and now when he did, after he did that pratigna, the swear, the promise, all the devatas, apsarasas started addressing him, announcing him as Bhishma. After that, Bhishma saying to Dasaraju's daughter Satyavati, Adhiroha radham mataha gachavaha svagruhaniti. Oh my dear mother, please get into chariot. Let us go our home. Like that, Bhishma has taken Satyavati, came back to Hastinapuram and gave Satyavati to his father Santanu. All the kings, after listening to what Bhishma has done, they all started saying Bhishma, Bhishma, Bhishma. Then Santanu also, after listening to the Bhishma's such a greatest pratigna, the swear, he got shocked and he felt so happy, Now Santanu is saying that, "Ho Bhishma, Swachchanda Maranam Tushtaha, Dadau Tasmai Mahatmane." I am giving you a boon, that is Swachchanda Maranam. Until you want to be alive, the death can never do that. Death cannot do anything to you. Only when you give your orders to death, only then the death comes to you. Like that, Santana Maharaju gave a boon to Bhishma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. And while dedicating ourselves to Sriman Narayana, let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. Now let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. Ho Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.